Good morning, Rudra.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Nivan. Good morning, Yashash.
I come little late.
Sorry?
I come little late.
No, that's fine, beta. We started just now. Yeah.
So
Oh,
what's today's topic?
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute.
yeah. Okay. Let me share my screen, kids.
So what's today's topic?
Yeah. So the same topic on which we were discussing yesterday, right? The material advantage. Okay. Some end game position I will show where someone is having advantage and then whether you are able to convert that into win. Okay, yesterday we saw this example, right, that the black is having advantage, okay, because black is having two extra pawns, right, because bishop and knight value 3 are equal, right, then one pawn and another pawn equal, one king another king equal, but then you have two extra pawns, so there are chances that black will win. And yesterday we discussed that if you do not play properly, okay, I mean not proper in the sense you play proper, okay, but the thing is maybe you are in hurry or you make some wrong move in the sense move is legal, but it is not the move which will help you win, right? So it can result into either a draw or loss of game, right? So similarly, now next position I am going to give you, kids. Look at this. What do you think? Who can win this game?
Black.
Black can win. Okay. Now it is black to play and win the
Sir,
game.
black will move to one, right?
Exactly. Black will move towards 1 and white always move towards 8. Correct? So
Okay, sir.
now you have to play, okay? Black to play first, okay? So think and then tell what will you play now?
Sir,
B3,
king.
sir, B3. The B3.
Sir, king to b3.
Sir,
Okay.
keep that.
Yeah, hold on. Now Yashas is saying king to b3.
Sir,
Okay.
Nivan also told the same. Nivan.
Nivan is also saying king to b3. Is that correct, Nivan?
Yeah.
Okay. Rudra is saying what? Rudra, you are not audible. Sorry.
Sir, Rudra is saying king b3.
Same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you are saying same. Let's see. Now what black will do? Black will capture this. Correct. Sorry, white will capture this. Now black to play.
Black to play. Sir, we couldn't save that pawn only. There was no option of saving that pawn.
Yeah. So do you want to rethink, kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rethink and then tell.
No, sir, there's no way we can save this pawn because it's blocked. Except capturing, there's nothing else.
The B6.
Very good. B6. Now tell me, can you capture this now?
No.
No, sir, but it can capture b6, right?
Right. It can, but should I?
No. Then I will cap A4 when and then I have two value.
Now I cannot capture this, right?
Yeah.
Correct?
Same thing. I have two value.
Right. Now,
Now
what will you play, kids?
Sir, we'll play.
B3, sir.
Sir, what do we play? We can't move the
A3,
king.
sir. The A3.
a3. Okay, sir. a3.
Sir, A4.
Opposition. Opposition. Okay, now we have no choice to move here only. No, else we can move our king.
Yeah, so A2. You are saying I can see other train A2. That I'm saying. A3. A3.
A3.
3, sir, pawn to A3.
A1. Opposition. Yo. No. A2.
Move the pawn here.
Yo.
Okay.
Now
So
draw.
you could not win, kids. Okay. Chalo, come on. Once again. It looks easy, but is it
B6.
easy, kids? It looks easy,
No,
right? You think that,
yes.
oh, I have 2 pawns, I will win this, right? That is what you told
No, sir,
initially,
I
right?
didn't. No, sir, I didn't think that. I knew we could win this game, but it would be very difficult.
Okay, kids. Now let me take black. You are white. Okay. You have to play from white
What's a
side
no?
now.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, capture B6.
Capture. Okay, I captured these kids.
Okay, sir.
C5.
C5.
Okay. Very nice.
B5.
D5.
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 Yes.
We are on the king. I'll
D or
Yes,
B?
sir, D5. Sir, D5. D5.
D5.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now we have, sir, now we have control of the, sir, now we have control of the middle squares.
Back.
Sir, we have control of the middle
Yes,
squares now.
beta, what is the use of controlling the middle square with the king? There is no point, right? Okay, kids.
Yeah.
Now here I captured. Now tell me, what will you play?
Sir, I will play C5.
C5. Okay, I played this. Now your turn, kids. So this is not good move.
A6.
A.
Back. One back only.
Okay, you want to play A6 here. Okay, no worries.
My laptop charging is low. Let me.
Yeah, you can put the charger, Rudra. Okay, kids, your turn.
Now it's very difficult.
If I was there, sir. Then
B6, sir. B6.
we cannot move.
C6, sir. B6, sir.
D5 or D6?
No, B5. D5 is better. No, E4. So E4. E4. D4. Not E4. D4. Oh. Oh no.
Okay,
Now
kids. So where were you going wrong, kids? See, what is important now here? First of all, you need to protect this pawn. It is very important. Okay. So for that, what you did, you played this. So obviously he will capture this. He has no choice. Okay. Either he can capture or he has to go away, right? Either go away from this side or go away from this side. But in short,
Or capture.
the support of white pawn is going away, right? In any case. Okay. So as soon as he moves, so he can either capture or play A6 or play C4. Okay. In any case, okay, in any case, we will capture this. Suppose he captures the pawn, you captured this. Now he played this, okay. If he plays this, what you guys did, you played this, right? So this was the mistake from your side, kids, if you remember, right? Just before this we tried, right?
The B3. The B3.
Yeah, so instead of playing A3, okay, why not to play A3? because you yourself blocking the path of your pawn, right? So you have to take this square. Now when you play here, and even if the king comes back, okay, you still have the protection of to the pawn, right? Correct? Okay. Now once
Yeah.
he comes, now there is no, I mean, white cannot do anything. You have to be least bothered. Now whatever he tries, he cannot stop from promotion, correct? And now once it gets promoted, we already have learned one queen mate, isn't it? Now you guys tell me, what will you play? Black side, okay? Checkmate karna hai, one queen mate karna hai, guys, okay? How will you do that?
Sir, we'll do blocking the line A4.
Sir, A4, A4.
A4 you will go, okay? Or will you go for D8, D1 kids?
Sir, D1. Sir, D1.
D1 is better, okay? So, okay, let him play first. Sorry, it is his turn. We just promoted, right? So suppose he comes here. Now tell me, what will you play, kids?
E1.
E1,
E1.
correct. E1 blocked. Okay, now suppose he plays this one. Now what you can do?
Sir, do we have to play a waiting move right now?
Not really. You can push the king, right? See, you have the support, right?
And the check. Sir, it's not a checkmate, but right?
It's not checkmate, right? You think actually, don't ask me, kids, okay? I just want practice of yours, right? In game
Yes, sir, it's
position.
not a checkmate. If the queen gives check, it can move to D5.
Correct. For Rudra, guys, hold on 1 second, yeah, because Rudra was disconnected at that point of time. Okay, I think I will have to revise the same thing again for him. Yeah, let us see. He is joining now. Yeah.
Can
Oh.
you please repeat?
Yes, I knew you will ask. I just told Yashas and Nivan that I will repeat. Yeah, no issues, Rudra. Again, okay. I'm going back, kids. Okay. Now Yashas and Nivan will tell me actually what to do. And Rudra, you pay attention, okay?
B6, sir, pawn to B6.
Yeah, we played B6, Rudra, to support our pawn, okay? So that he will not capture A5. Okay, now what is the purpose? You might ask the question, kids. Sir, not A5, but he will capture this pawn. So it is okay. We are not worried about the B pawn, okay? Because our intention is this king should go away from this protection, because he is protecting this pawn, so I cannot capture it, right? And unless and until I am not capturing this, my pawn cannot go further. Correct? So my objective is to convert my A5 pawn to the queen. I want to promote this pawn. Okay. So for promoting this pawn, sacrifice of the B2, B7 pawn is fine with me. Now, obviously, he will capture. Okay. So what if he does not capture? I told you that as well. Okay. If he don't want to capture, can he come here?
No, sir.
Can he come here?
No.
No.
Sure.
Okay. So what are the other
Sir,
ways?
there are only 3 places for him. He can go to C6, he can go to C4, and he can go to A6.
Right. Any of these places it goes. Suppose here. So anyways, it is going away from the pawn. I will capture it. Now again, if you capture this, can he come here?
No.
Can he come here?
No.
Can he come here?
No, sir.
Can he come here?
Yes.
No, sir.
No. Okay. So it is very difficult for now white. Okay. So he will come here. Okay. Now this is also interesting position, kids. Okay. We will discuss this. But before this, let me tell you what if he captures. Okay. That is what we were discussing, kids. Okay. If he captures this, you capture. Next is he comes here. Okay.
And instead of moving to A3, you should move to B3. Not A3.
Yeah. So if he comes here, instead of moving to A3, you should go to B3. Reason is, if you go to B3, he cannot come here. Okay. Obviously, he will come to B5 so that he will capture the pawn. Okay. But then
in
it's
the
your,
next move, we'll
yeah,
move it
it's
to
your turn
A4.
now, right? So you just move it
A4.
to A4, which is protected. Okay, Nivan? Rudra, is it clear, kids? Okay. Now, once you have the protection to the pawn, you can easily promote it. Can the king now enter this territory? Tell me.
No.
If he has to, he will have to take this route. And by that time, you already are converted into the queen, correct? Because the king is sitting here. How important it is? Have you seen, kids? Okay. Because the king is sitting here, the opponent king cannot enter this territory. Okay. So if at all he has to take this route.
After a while, I will join again.
Okay.
Yeah, I will join again.
Yeah, Nivan, no issues. Are you logging in from some different device?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So continue from here first. Yeah, I am admitting, no issues. Yeah. Okay, Rudra, is it clear now? You can easily promote this. Okay. So he played this. Suppose he played this, you played this, he played this, you played this, he played this. You promoted. Okay. And then this results into a one queen mate. Okay. And that is what we were discussing. Correct? Now you guys have to tell me actually. He played this now, and what will you play? That was the question. So Yashas and Nivan told me to bring the queen to E1. Okay.
No. D1.
Sir, E1 so that he can block. So we can do blocking the line.
You can block. Okay. Now when he comes here, maybe either you can move the king, okay, or move the queen here. But then if your intention was to bring the queen here to block, okay, in that case, I will suggest not to bring the queen here. Okay. So maybe this is the right move in that case. Okay.
Sure,
Now,
I want to play the game.
yes, Nivan, this is also a game.
Play. Your turn.
Okay, now white, right? I am coming here, kids. Now, what will you play?
Sir,
D3. KD3. King to D3.
King to D3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, kids.
King.
sir, you have to now just follow the
Queen
king.
King.
Bring. Sir, I remember it. I remember the one queen mate properly. I have to follow the king now. C4, king to C4.
C4.
And follow the king.
No.
Okay, what are you saying, Nivan?
Queen to E4.
Queen to E4. Okay.
Nivan, but if you didn't play that move, if you would have followed the king, we could have checkmated more faster.
Queen to G6.
Queen to
G6.
G6. Okay.
Nivan, you're giving the white king more space.
No, but he is blocking this side now. Yes, sir. That is also fine, beta. Yeah. But in any case, you will require the king. Okay. So don't keep the king away, Nivan.
Yeah, now. Yeah. D4 king. King to D4.
D4. Okay.
King to D5.
D5. Okay.
Queen E6.
Queen E6.
E6 plus.
Okay.
Yeah. D6. King to D6. No, sir. Queen to D7.
Queen to D7.
D7.
Okay.
King to
Follow the
E6.
king.
King to E6.
King to F6. King to and then queen. Checkmate. King queen to D7 checkmate. To D7. Yeah,
Correct.
checkmate.
Correct. Very good, kids. Okay. So, in short, once you are successfully promoted the pawn to the queen, you can checkmate, right? But the challenge was promoting the pawn itself. So, did you understood how to deal with such situation, kids? Now we discuss another thing. What if after playing this, he is not capturing? Okay. Okay. So let us assume that he plays this. Okay. Now tell me, what will you play, kids?
Sir, that is a bad move for the white.
No, that's fine. Will you capture this pawn?
click करो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. He played this. Now what will you play, kids?
B5 sir.
B5. Okay.
Sir, every time Nivan is only telling the moves.
Now you can also tell, yes, yes, no issues.
B4. Yeah. King to B4.
King to B4, you are saying?
Yes.
Or pawn to B4?
King to B4. King to B4.
Okay. Yes, yes, Rudra, are you agreeing with king to B4?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
What is your move?
Sir, I would suggest pawn to B4.
Okay. We will discuss both these. Okay. King to B4 and pawn to B4. Okay. King and B. Okay. Let me take this. Okay, kids. Now here, yeah, correct. Now, what if king plays? Okay. And what if?
Pawn please.
Okay. Anyways, I cannot do that at two places. Anyways, let us consider that pawn plays first. Okay, kids. Yeah. I played here. Now, what will you play, Yashas? Yashas
check.
suggest.
B3, B3.
Nivan and
Yes, sir,
Rudra, just
B3
hold on
check.
for a second, because as Yashas suggested this move, let him complete. Okay. I'll come back to you guys. Yes, Yashas, what are you saying?
Sir, B3 check.
B3 check. Okay, good.
With the support.
Now what will you play?
Sir, now king to B4.
King to B4. Okay, good. Now
Sir, pawn to A4.
A4. Okay.
Sir, king to A3.
King to A3.
A3.
Okay, good.
Then
Pawn to B2.
Pawn
B2.
to
How
B2.
can you go pawn to B2?
Check.
Sir, now B3, king to
King to
B3.
B3. Thank you. It's a draw, right? Where can I play now? I cannot come here. I cannot come here. I cannot come here. I cannot come here. It's a draw. So Yashas, thank you.
Oh.
You have given me the draw. Now let me come back, kids. Okay. And here, instead of pawn, you played king. This is what Nivan and Rudra suggested. Okay, kids. Now again, I played this one. What's your stake, kids?
The king to G3.
King to
King to G3.
C3. C3. Okay.
Pawn B4.
Pawn B4.
Okay, kids.
B3.
B3. Yes, sir.
Okay, kids.
A4.
A4.
Okay, kids.
Sir,
B2.
B2. B2.
B2 check. Very good.
Sir, A3. Sir, everyone is telling the same moves at the same time.
Okay, kids.
G2. G2.
C2.
Yes, sir, C2.
Thank you, kids. Now, again, I am not able to go anywhere. This is stalemate.
But no, sir, it's not a stalemate, sir.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, I can capture this. Correct. Not stalemate. You are right. Promote. Yes, you promoted. Now next.
Sir,
B3, sir. Queen to B3.
Queen to B3. Okay, kids.
queen to... No, sir, king to
C3.
Sir, king to C3. Sir, if I hadn't told you it was, the match would have ended, which could have been a win. If I hadn't told you it's not a draw.
No, that's fine, beta. We might have noticed actually. So it's okay. Go ahead, kids. So king.
Sir, king C3.
Okay, next.
C4.
Queen B4.
C4.
Queen
Queen. No, not follow. It will be a stalemate.
What are you saying?
No, sir, follow. No, sir, follow. It will not be
No, it will be a stalemate.
Hold on, kids. Let's Nivan,
Play
go ahead.
B4.
Yes, hold on. We finish your game, right? Yes, Nivan.
Queen to B4.
Queen to B4. Okay. That's fine. Yes, right? This is also a good move.
Yes, sir.
Next.
G4, sir. King to G4.
King to
King
C4.
to C4.
Okay.
Queen to B5 check.
Queen to B5 check.
King to C5. King to C5. Queen.
Sir,
Sir,
King
queen
to G6.
Queen to B6, not G6. Queen to B6.
Queen
Not
to
G6.
B6. Queen to B6 is a stalemate. Yes, okay. Queen to B6 is a
Oh.
stalemate. Okay. So king
And
to B6.
you give a tank. And Queen B7 checkmate. King to B7.
Very good. Good one, guys. Okay. So
Sir, is it
understood.
a checkmate?
Yeah, it's a checkmate,
Sir, is
right? There is a support, right? And you cannot go
Yes,
anywhere.
sir.
So it's a checkmate, correct? But here you need to be careful, kids. If you play this, it's a stalemate. Correct? You cannot come
And
here.
you said you need the stalemate. You said yesterday
You should not resign.
you have
Okay.
chances to stalemate.
Right. So there was, right, in case in hurry, if you play this, there can be a stalemate, right? So two
And
important thing, kids, right? Don't give up till the time you get actually checkmated. Okay. Do not give up. Do not say resign. I resign should not be part of your dictionary when you are playing. Okay.
But
Till
sir,
the
then
last
if
moment.
if you should not resign, then why is there resign? You
There
should
is
not resign.
there is option given. Okay. But as I said, tell me one thing, kids. Suppose there is a tournament. Okay. Every game of 10 minutes. Okay. And say in 5 minutes, you come to some such kind of situation like this. Just a second, kids. Yeah. So, yeah. So this one, you realize that now the pawn will get promoted and I will get checkmated and you resign. Right? What exactly you are going to achieve by resigning? You will anyways lose the match, right? Even if you get checkmated, you are going to lose the match. Okay, so what the maximum thing that you can achieve is you will save your 4 or 5 minutes, right? Correct?
Sir, I want to say something.
Yes, Nivan.
Sir,
But sir, it can also be if you don't resign. What if the opponent gives a draw? If he could win the match, he could also give a draw, right?
Why will he give? Will
No,
you
sir,
give?
if he doesn't. No,
Will
sir,
you-
if he
if-
doesn't see by.
Hold on. Yes, my question to you. If you are from black side, are you going to give draw to me?
No, sir, I am not telling that he will purposely give draw. He can also by mistake give draw, right?
That is stalemate, right? or you are saying
Yeah,
offer a draw?
I have a doubt.
Yes, Nivan, what is
Sir.
your doubt?
Sir, stalemate. Sir, I'm saying stalemate.
Right,
Not
that is
offer.
the yeah, that is the reason I told continue the game and try to stalemate yourself. Okay, try to bring your position such that you get stalemated. So we already saw
Sir,
this.
yesterday
Just a
I was
second. Yeah.
playing with someone in a different place,
Yes, Nivan.
and that my queen gold, and I still win.
Very good. Now see, kids, if you bring like this, who is winning? It's a draw, right? So if this position appears,
Sir, is this a stalemate or offer and draw?
no, stalemate. Offer a draw is kind of he himself, instead of making the moves, suppose at this position, okay, when you capture the pawn, okay, or suppose this situation, he plays this and he says offer a draw and you accepted. So it is a kind of offer a draw, okay. However, the situation that I told you, this one, okay, this is a stalemate. Okay, so this
Okay,
is,
sir, I understood.
yeah,
I
this
thought
is
offer and
over
draw
the
is
board,
in the pieces you give.
right?
Draw. I thought that is called offer and draw.
No, no, no. This is the over the board draw, okay? And the other way is on the board position, it is not draw like this, okay? So this is not draw, right? Any case. This is also not draw, right? And then you are shaking your hand and saying offer a draw and your opponent accepts it. So if he shakes hand with you, so that is considered as both the players mutually agreed to declare this game as a draw. Okay. Then what you have to do, the paper sheet which is given to you, you take the sign of your opponent, put the result as 0.5-0.5 or 1/2-1/2, right? That is a draw result. Both the players get half point, okay? And then take the signature of your opponent and then submit it to the arbiter, okay?
Sir, if the black's 2 points, sir, can you remove the black's 2 points once?
Can you remove the black? What?
Sir, the black's 2 points. Sir, if in for both the players only both the kings are left, then you have to then you can only offer a draw, nothing
No,
else, right?
that is over the board draw, right? If suppose he plays this, okay? If he plays this, something like this, okay? For example, this board position, okay? So this is anyways a draw, right? This is called as theoretical draw, okay? So in theory, any number of moves you make, okay, after this, okay, it will always be draw, right? Nobody can checkmate, nobody can even give check to each other because both the king cannot come close to each other, right? Correct. So this is called as theoretical draw, and it is a draw actually. Once you reach to this position, you just have to put the your result, take the signature and submit the result. Understood?
Okay,
Sir.
sir.
Yeah, Nivan, what were you saying? You played yesterday the game with whom? You participated somewhere or played online?
No, online.
Okay, okay. Okay, kids. So
With my friend,
you win the match?
with my cousin. And sometimes I play 2 games. One I win in the way how we play now. Sorry. And the next game I win without the queen.
Okay, very good, beta. Very nice. Okay, kids. So now coming back to the position here. Okay, kids. So there was another option that you played this one. Okay. He captured, and this is a
Sir,
clear.
only 5 minutes are remaining, sir.
Yeah, that's fine, beta. We are almost done actually. Okay. Now, in case if you bring your king here, okay, kids. we are discussing various position related to the same game. Okay, kids. In case if you bring the king here, it is a clear loss. Now he will just push this after this, and you will not be able to stop this. Okay. Now it was a clear win for black. Okay. So you need
And
to
sir,
be careful.
another pawn he can promote it also.
Not required. Once you get the queen, why will you go beyond another pawn, right? If you
No,
have,
sir, because when I didn't know one rook and one queen mate, right?
but you guys know it now, right? Is it the
Yeah,
case
before
that you
I
don't know?
started. Yes, sir. Before I started chess class, also I
Yeah,
used to
yeah.
play with my parents.
Right.
In that case, right, I didn't know one queen mate, one rook
Correct,
mate.
correct.
So when I used to get one rook, I used to again promote it to another rook or another queen.
Right. Very good.
So
Beta.
that
So now, and that's the reason we discuss different positions. Now you guys have reached to the level that you know these kind of end games, right? Or so you need to deal with it diligently. You know, wisely.
So what do you
If,
mean by diligently?
I mean, play wisely, play properly. Okay, don't be in hurry. You are now a matured chess player. Okay, although you are kids, but I already told you, right? Think twice before you make the move. Okay, don't be in hurry.
And sir, in a chess game, you should always ask yourself, right? Why is the opponent making this move?
Right.
And how many moves can I checkmate?
Exactly. That's what I keep on telling to you guys, right? That is called as thinking from opponent's side. Okay. When opponent did this move, you think, why did he made this move? Why he has not captured, for example. Okay. So when you think like this, okay, or in the very first time, actually now today as well, when you captured this, okay, and still I managed to draw the match, right? You remember the first one, right? So that time you should have asked actually why sir's king is going reaching towards this. Okay, so always remember, kids, if there is only one pawn remaining, okay, in the A file or H file, the last file, okay, I am talking A file or H file, okay, then you always try to go in that particular corner, either A1 in case if it is reaching there, or H8 in case if it is reaching there. Okay, so in that case you have high chances of getting the match drawn, because the king will not be able to, I mean the pawn will not be able to promote it, because our king is just playing here and here. Okay, just moving, keep moving here and here. Okay, so, and as you know, the other king cannot come close to the king, right? When your king is here or here, the other king cannot capture these three squares, correct? But fortunately, because you could save these two pawns, okay, so that is the reason this in this position, when black played, capturing this was is important. Okay, kids. Yeah, very good. Now, kids, if you are playing with your parents, and suppose if they are not studying it regularly, okay, and if you are continuously winning, okay, it's a good sign that so far initially when you started playing with parents, your parents were winning, correct? When I say parents, not necessarily your mom and dad, okay, maybe you are playing with your grandpa, granny, your auntie, uncle, or whoever, right? Whoever knows chess. Okay, now whatever we learned so far, I think it has definitely uplifted you, right? It has definitely added value to your chess skills, kids. Okay, so kids, we will stop here for this today's position. We will continue with these end game positions. Okay, so currently we are learning where if you have the material advantage, how to convert that advantage into win. Okay, so next week we will continue with the another position, kids. Okay, so we will stop here, kids. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Enjoy.